How to take a right decision without confusion. The right decision at the right time can change our destiny forever. Decisions, big and small, can have lasting, irreversible impact on our lives, careers, and even relationships. The courses we choose in college, the job we choose, the person we decide to spend the rest of our life with, all these decisions will remain with us forever. Decision-making is a skill, a knack, an art. The good news is that one can become better and better in taking the right decisions. Your life's success and failure both depend a lot on your efficiency in making decisions. One day a successful business leader was asked, "What is the secret of success?" He said, "Taking the right decisions." He was asked again, "How does one take the right decisions?" Pat came the reply, "By taking wrong decisions." People not only to take decisions but take them quickly. Various factors that go into the decision-making process. Whenever a person approaches the leader with any urgent matter, the leader should not postpone it. In case the decision or matter is postponed, it may later become impossible to manage. For example, if the person comes to warn him of a fire and the leader does not pay heed to the person, the situation will definitely become worse. Here are some suggestions we must do while taking decisions here. This is the defining quality of a great leader: the ability to listen. People are always talking, and as they speak, they articulate their opinions, suggestions, remarks, among other things. A lot of the person reflects in the words he chooses to utter. But are we listening? Mostly not. This partly has something to do with the fact that we don't receive formal training in listening properly. This isn't exactly considered a skill to be taught. But you must take it into account very seriously. It is not necessary that everything people say is right. Nevertheless, it is important to listen to them and gather information to use for your own critical thinking. Leaders must think logically and take important decisions. Equal importance: do not take anything for granted. Every matter, regardless of its urgency, has to be heard patiently. For a leader, no matter is less important than the other. So, sometimes you may come across a matter that doesn't concern you at all but is of utmost urgency to someone else. You must give this person a chance to voice his or her thoughts. Listen even if you don't have solutions to offer, because sometimes the best solution may lie in the very act of lending an ear to the person. Please note that at such times people might articulate themselves in an abstract manner. They may not necessarily say what they mean. When a person says, "I am tired," he doesn't just mean tired at a physical level. He could be mentally exhausted too. There could be other, bigger reasons why he is tired. It could be a long day at office, or a long journey, or fatigue that has happened due to some sports activity. Try to understand the crux of the matter. Don't postpone. Having listened to the person's problem, you have to take the next step. And it's crucial that you respond, not react. What if you just keep quiet and do nothing? Well, then the matter remains pending, and it's exactly also, the more such small decisions pile up, the more impossible it becomes to clear them up later. So remember to complete your work on a daily basis. Do not keep decisions pending unless they require any inputs from others. Even in that case, take a decision as soon as you get the input you seek. Once you are in full control of yourself, you will achieve the highest level of productivity at your workplace.